I'm stuck in a building. Can I climb over this fence? No. I can't.
Are you not realising that I'm shooting at you?
No, to be honest, I didn't hear any gunshots.
That suppressor's mad then.
It is crazy, it's proper good luck.
Level 2 backpack over in there.
I think I've already got one. I have as well.
Okay. I'll get out, I've got a tactical black.
I need an aiming sight, preferably a 6x, so I can be nosy. I don't need it for a sniper or to do epic headshots. I just prefer it for a bit of nosying. Oh, I've got an 8x scope and I can't put it on me bloody AKM. Oh, an 8x. I got it 8x. If you find an M4, can you tell me?
Aye, Captain in the cap.
Because I've got a sight, but no bloody gun to use it for. Oh, I'm not having that shit. I'll take your holographic sight.
Sound like Austin experience.
Hi guys. Oh, a 6x. Can I put that on me AKM? Let's have a test. I bloody well can, eh? Hey guys.
Fucking hell.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Austin McBream.
You actually.
Today we're gonna exploit my children for a bit of cash. That's just a hay bale's just gonna be fucking damage.
Right. I'm back. We're all good. You really got me going. What are you doing? You look like a little Moonuka.
You got me going crazy. I don't know what I'm feeling.
Wait, let me jump on.
You can't, mate.
Oh, that's. I'm a potty tired.
I've got a corner shot.
Go to that town in front of you.
You need to find a mountain bike, 'cause these are fucking class. Watch me pop a wheelie. Ka-chow! Get fucking drop me mountain bike.
You really got me going.
Give me my fucking mountain bike.
Car in the direction.
Who needs a car when you've got a motorcycle? Not enough space for a full-time scope. Can I have some painkillers, please, you fat cunt? Do you want a jammer pack? Jam your pack.
No. I don't know what the fuck they do, to be honest with you.
You mum. I've got no space for fucking Nish.
Or Nash. Well, you know, because I love you.
Yeah. You're not
There's a
having
level
me
3
mountain
backpack
bike.
right here. Oh,
You can have my mountain bike.
I don't want it.
For limited access only. Is it upstairs?
Yeah. You really got me going.
Nice. You really got me going. You got me going.
Car, here, car, broom. Oh, it's coming down to us on the hill. I just pointed it out.
Are we supposed to hide from it? Nope.
No? Shoot. I don't know if I hit him. They're driving off now. Ow, he fucking hit me! Chloe, what the fuck? He's gonna kill me. He's actually gonna kill me. I'm nearly dead.
Heal yourself.
Shut up. Why are you talking? Right. Don't!
Oh, shut your fucking mouth then. You
Shut
greasy
up. Get some
grobbler.
fucking pants. Here, go on over the floor.
Have a wash, you fucking pizza twat. Oh, I see him. Bopped him, I've injured him.
You're gonna get... Oh, nice. I need a scope. Nice.
Fuck.
Come on.
Help me. Oh, don't help me, you fucking pepperoni.
Where is he? You didn't really tell me where he is.
Northwest 335 behind a. Wow, I need to heal.
Where, man?
Behind a yellow house. His injured be good. But I injured him a little bit better. There,
I
pinpointed
can't see this fucker. Thank fuck for that.
Can't see him anymore though. Oh yeah, he's still there. Oh, I fucking hurt him, Anna.
Don't go down. Don't go down.
I'm getting it somewhere else.
I can't fucking see.
Cause you need to go where I am, you thick whore.
What are you doing over there?
Have you got any more health?
I've got, yeah, I've got things and that.
Well,
yeah.
me then. But don't go
Right,
through this door.
Yeah. I see him. I see you here. Nice.
Give me some
yeah.
health, dear.
Oh, what?
Oh, you know what, you greasy goblin.
Yeah. Fuck off, man.
My armor's down, mate. My helmet's gone. He's gonna shot me.
I fucking swear to God, man. His ass.
Where is he hitting me from?
I don't know. It's really stressing me out.
Have you got any more armor? Health?
Have I thought? No. I give you 2.
Oh. Sorry.
I can't get an angle from here. This is wanky wank.
I can't. I've just seen him.
Oh, I see him. Oh, you see, I can see him. He's got a good spot though. I know what I'm gonna do. Stay calm. Headshot incoming.
Where?
He's in that window.
You know
in the
what?
blue
You're
house.
horrible, can't you?
I've just told you where it. Should we get him on back and scoop? Right, hold on. Don't make any movement. No, don't move.
Yeah, you get the kill, Jack. It's alright.
See, I see. There's a guy that way. I don't know if he's with them.
I'm not allowed to move.
He's not in that window anymore. They're not there.
Get me melting climber.
Right, you get on that bike, so I can't get on it. There's a fucking car. Go now.
Yeah,
you really got me going.
You got me going crazy. I don't know what I'm feeling. Get on me melting climber, babe. We're going trekking.
Just fix some new tires. Get it.
I need health. I need to go to NHS real quick.
Welcome to my taxi. Eh? Oh, it's them.
Where are they?
You fucking lame cunts. Fucking pull over now. Shit, Chloe. I'm dead.
Fuck it, I killed him and knocked him out.
Get out, shoot his friend. Get out. Oh.
That was good, that.
At least you knocked him out.
You know what? You fuck off to Pizza Hut.
I'm dead.
I've got a fucking crowbar. I don't even have a crowbar, I didn't pick it up.
Ow, Daddy. I see your body. You got slammed at the wall and you went, hello, yeah.
I'll always save you, Jack. I'll save you till I have a heart attack. Then I'll put your ball sack.
Then I'll sniff you, Craig.